Time to tackle the kids' messy rooms, starting with my youngest daughter's closet and room. I know I mentioned in my last decluttering video that I was going to declutter the kitchen and dining area next, but that was a couple of months ago and a lot has happened since then. So here we are, knee-deep in stuffed animals and mystery socks. Needless to say, my kids are currently away at their grandparents' house for 2 to 3 weeks. So I thought I would go ahead and declutter and organize the rooms while they're away, because it's a lot easier to declutter without a little voice saying, "But I need that rock collection, Mom." It's been about 30 minutes since I started decluttering Anne's room, so I'm stopping now because I have other things to do today. But here's how far I've gotten. So I started a time will tell bin, which I learned from the Minimal Mom, for stuff I wasn't sure about. And I also have a trash bag. I just threw away like obvious trash, but like I know for the most part what she doesn't play with, what she doesn't like. Well, I guess even if she doesn't play with it, I know what she likes and doesn't like. So I just have a few things in the time will tell bin. So if she ever asks for it specifically, I will keep this in the garage. She's not allowed to go into it. But if she asks for an item specifically, then I will get it out for her. So I'll show you where I'm leaving off for today. Here's her closet. I just went through her bins. The top 4 are for clothes, and then the rest is for toys. I just went through her toys and sorted them all out. And that's basically all I got done today. And then that's the rest of the stuff that was in her closet, all in her bed. So I think that's a good stopping point for today, and we'll continue tomorrow. I do have a couple weeks to declutter all the kids' rooms and their loft too. So yeah. On day 2, I cleared off the stuff from Anne's closet on her bed and sorted through her millions of stuffed animals. Seriously, it's like a zoo in there. Plus, I moved most of her stuff from her room to the loft so I could begin to rearrange her furniture. I wanted a more standard layout. I think it's weird that all 3 of my kids like their beds pressed up against the wall horizontally. It just makes it harder to make the bed and access behind it if something falls underneath, you know? On day 3, I started moving all of Anne's stuff that I moved into the loft back into her room onto her bed to sort. Since most of it was books, I went ahead and set up her bookshelf, then continued clearing off her bed again, putting things away as I went. In the end, I didn't actually get rid of anything except for obvious trash. I didn't think it would be respectful to my daughter, so that's where a time will tell bin and a bag for stuffed animals in Anne's case comes in handy, because you never know when she might suddenly remember that one-eyed teddy bear and ask, "Mom, have you seen Mr. Snuggles?" Right? Anne's bedroom is all reset, and I'm ready to tackle my son's room next. Yay!